in the house. Hello, hello, hello. Yes? All right, so welcome everyone. We almost have a full house today, so try to grab any free seats. There's some here in the front. Please don't be shy. I don't bite, not yet. And don't forget to grab your beers.
You're on the wait list. Why are you here?
Cool, so welcome to meetup number 9. I didn't believe we kept this long. 9 months already doing this. So in case you don't know the page, this is our meetup page. I took this screenshot when we were just starting, and we started with this group. I think it had something around 200 people, and now we are more than 1,400. So thank you everyone. We really appreciate that. If you want to tweet about tonight, about the pizza or the food or the beers or the speakers if you like them, if not, just tweet about the pizza and the food. This is the hashtag you can use. As any fashionable meetup or conference, we have a code of conduct. And it's just, please, 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 don't be an asshole. Yeah, so behave, be nice with everyone. And yeah, if there's any fights about VI versus Emacs, I will help you. But otherwise, please behave. So we are 4 organizers doing all this. So that's Mark, that's me. That's the only picture I have with a jacket on and with a tie. So don't get used to it. We have Mr. Saunders, who's on his way here right now. We have Mireia doing the camera work. Say hi. And we have Jack in front. Say hi, Jack.
Hello.
Who's helping us doing all the with all the food and the pizza. So if you tweet about the pizza and the food, it's his fault. Not trying to throw him under the bus or anything. We have some sponsors, as anyone that needs to do any of this shoot. But one of our main ones is Contino. So Contino is a DevOps consultancy. And of course, it's hiring, as everyone else in this city. So if you want to work as a consultant in doing cool stuff and talking about DevOps to companies that they don't know what it is, they mostly think that it's developer operations and stuff like that. So up to you. We also have some very good community sponsors that we're very grateful about. We have O'Reilly that has given us another book. Looks like they like printing books. So we have this book to give away today. I'll just have to think about a good question to ask, and this book is yours.
Just one?
Just one, yeah, sorry. They like printing, but not that much. And we have DevOps Guy, which is another DevOps consultancy who's also running the Cardiff DevOps meetup. I encourage you to go there if you're around Cardiff any day and you don't want to enjoy the sea or the nice weather. And we have GitHub. GitHub is giving us stickers, as you saw in the entrance, but it's also giving us free micro accounts. I didn't even know they had micro accounts, but they're giving one for free for 1 year. And we have like 6 of them left, and I'm going to give all of them away today. So if you can quote me things from Monty Python when I leave this stage, I'll give you one of those. And our main sponsor is Prism Digital. It's a recruiting company, but this one is actually cool. So they're nice guys. And they are paying for all these, they're paying for the food, they're paying for the drinks. So hopefully I'll give them some business so they can keep paying for these by quoting them. So do you want to say anything, Jack?
Yeah, I'll just say like really.
Fine.
Hi guys, I'm Jack. I do the Linux and DevOps patch at Prism Digital. It's good to see how fast the group's growing. Really keen for you all to keep coming. We've got some really big plans for the year. So we've got a big one next month as well at Facebook's office, which we need to fill 450 odd seats. So tell all your friends. And really happy with the speakers tonight. I've actually got a personal mate, Mr. Russell Clare. So yeah, enjoy, keep coming, and thanks.
You stole my thunder about the Facebook announcement.
Oh, sorry, man.
It's good, no worries. And we are gratefully hosted here by Google Campus. They've been amazing with us. This is the second time we're here. And we didn't break anything the first time, so they invited us back again. So please don't break anything. So just for the new guys that just arrived, there's plenty of space in front. Don't be shy, please. So, as I always say, this meetup is about the community, and it's about trying for everyone to get something out of these, and at least 3 beers. But if you get some knowledge as well, it's just awesome. I'm very happy if someone does. And I always try to point people towards other meetups, so you can go and learn more stuff about these. So this month is very heavily charged with user meetups of different configuration managements. So depends on your choice, just go to one of them, all of them will have free beer, and we'll give you a good talk about what they do. So we have the Chef Users London meetup, and the Ansible one just the day after. Then we also have the London Continuous Delivery meetup, and this is organized by a guy called Matthew Skelton. He's a developer, but he focuses from the side of pure developer Agile way, which I really love, and I learned a lot from this meetup, so I really recommend you guys to go there. And also we have DevOps Manchester that are organizing a meetup which coincides with IP Expert. So I'll talk a bit more about that later. And also at the end of the month we have the London Public User Group, which is amazing, and they have very cool offices as well in Bedmondsey, so feel free to go. So we have a couple of conferences this month. We have IP Expo Manchester. It's free, so if you're around Manchester, if you want to go there, please register and go. They will have a DevOps bar, so automation bar and Agile delivery bar and stuff like that. So they needed new names for the bars anyway. And I think it would be fairly interesting. I will try to go myself. And there's also Extract Conf at the end of the month, which is about big data. So if you're into big data, this conference looks very interesting. It's 1 day, and it's in London, so you don't need to travel anyway. This slide is kind of redundant now because the cookies are late, but when they arrive, they will be awesome. And they are cooked by Matt's wife, Nancy, and her kids. There's nothing wrong with exploiting kids, right? So yeah, when they arrive, they're very good cookies. They're homemade, and they're wonderful differences, which I really like. So enough about me. So on to the talks. We have 3 amazing talks today. We have, as usual, we're trying to get high quality speakers. And I think that today I'm very satisfied as well with the speakers that we got. So we have Russell, first of all. Say hi, Russell.
Hi.
Which will be talking about Dockerizing your company, just in case you didn't know about Docker. You know, this thing with containers and the whale. And then after that, we have Kushal as well from GDS. We'll talk about the history of DevOps, which will be awesome. Really looking forward to this. And at the end, we have Neil Saunders. Hey, Neil. How are you? Say hi to everyone. Which we were talking about security at the startup. So I think they are quite good talks, the 3 of them. So first of all, let's just welcome Russell Clare.